affirmations for success are important, but there is one big problem. Most people fail to make affirmations work for them. Studies have discovered that affirmations have the power to motivate you to take action, help you focus on your goals, and give you the power to change your negative thinking patterns and replace them with positive thinking patterns. But if affirmations are so powerful, why do most people fail to make it work? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple mistakes most people make about positive affirmations. I do believe that affirmations work, but only if you do it right. Now, are you ready to discover how to make your affirmations work so that you can attract all the success you want into your life? Hey, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. This way, you will receive the latest personal development videos that will inspire you to succeed and live a better life. Number 1. You have to repeat your affirmations over and over again. You have to understand that affirmation is like every other skills. The more you practice it, the better you become. Just like your muscles, the more you use it, the more powerful it gets. And affirmations are the same. So, you don't want to just recite your affirmations once. You want to repeat them many times. Keep them in your head all the time and do it every day. Most people fail to get their affirmations work because they only do it for a few days or just a week or two. And when they don't see the results they expected, they quit and give up. Therefore, practice affirmations every day. Do it for the long term. Do it consistently until you condition the ideas into your subconscious mind. Number 2. Another mistake most people make about affirmation is that they don't feel the emotion. They do it for the sake of doing it. They don't practice their affirmations with feelings and emotions. You must feel the emotion and the energy that swells within you. For instance, when you affirm that you are successful, don't just say it. Feel it. Feel that you are already successful. Feel the great things that are coming your way and the opportunities that are flowing to you. The stronger the feeling and the energy, the more inspired you will become. And remember, energy is contagious. When you are highly motivated, you will attract great things into your life. You will find more opportunities. People will want to work with you, and you are more likely to take action and make things happen. This is why you don't want to just recite your affirmations, but you want to feel them as well. And finally, the third mistake people make about affirmations, and the most important of all, is that they are not committed to it. You see, you can't just say your affirmation out loud and then do something unrelated. For example, you can't just say you are destined for big success or become rich and then go and play games or watch Netflix. If you do so, you will confuse your subconscious mind. You say you want to work hard to succeed, but your action says otherwise. This is why most people fail to make their affirmations work for them. You need to commit to your affirmations. Don't send confusing message to your subconscious mind. When you affirm that you are going to build a successful business, your actions must align with your words. Do you get that? Therefore, commit to your affirmations, and that means your action must support what you promise yourself. When your affirmation is about living a healthy and green life, then show it through your action. Stop eating junk food, eat more fruits and vegetables. And that's how you commit to your affirmations, and this is how you make your affirmations work. So, these are the 3 common mistakes most people make about affirmations. They fail to make their affirmations work because they don't repeat them enough, they don't feel them, and they don't commit to what they say. I hope this video will inspire you to practice affirmations the right way. If you like this video, hit the like button now. Most importantly, subscribe to this channel so that you will learn more about how to achieve success and live a better life. Thank you for watching.